Okay, so we have a question on large sample theory. Let us suppose a sample of 400 individual is found to have a mean of height of 67.47. So, a sample of 400 individual has a mean height of 67.47 inch. Can it be regarded as a sample from a large population with a mean height of 67.39 inch and standard deviation of 1.30 inch, which means that we have to test whether this claim that 67.47 inch height from a sample of 400 can be regarded as a population whose mean is 67.39. We have to test it whether this mean height is statistically equal to 67.39. So we begin as follow. First of all, small n will denote the sample size, which is 400. X bar is the sample mean, which is 67.47 inch. Mu bar, which is the population mean, is 67.39, and sigma is the population standard deviation. So what we will test is that null hypothesis is mu equal to 67.39. That is, the sample mean of height is equal to the claim that population mean height is 67.3 inch. So we do not have any information about the direction of alternative hypothesis, so we shall use two-tail test. This is a two-tail test. Now our sample mean follows normal with mean mu, and this is the standard deviation of the sample mean, which is sigma square by n, assuming simple random sampling with replacement. Test statistics is z, which is x minus mu by sigma by root over n. Mu is the null hypothesized value. If you plug in this value, you find that your value is 1.2307. Now, using the 5% level of significance and a two-tail test, absolute value of z is less than 1.96, which means that our data do not have enough evidence to reject the claim that this sample is from this population, which means that we do not reject HO. Hence our sample mean of height equal to population mean of height. That is, this mean height of 67.47 of 400 individual comes from a population with mean height of 67.39 inch.